Check here, children. This is arithmetic progression, okay, grade 10th. So I'll just write the chapter here. It's AP and it's grade 10, whichever the board is, CB, IC, yeah, SSC board. It's a good question for 5 marks probably. Okay, now what is given here? The first term is A, which is 34, and the last term L, 700. If the common difference is 18, how many terms are there? So we need to find n, and what is their sum? So that is Sn. Okay, so you know one thing, children, the last term is L. I can also declare it as An. So An is given 700. So therefore, beta An formula, A bracket n minus 1d, which is equal to 700. Now the first term is given 34 and into n minus 1. The common difference is also 18. So which is equal to 700. Now you know very well, if you take this 34 that side, so I will give subtraction. So n minus 1. Now children, 34 if you take it there, I think 666, 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 3, 6 and 7 minus 1. Yes, it's 666 and whole divide by 18. Correct. Now 6 3s are 18 and 6 1 1 1. So therefore n minus 1, which is equal to 3 3s are 9, 2 remainder and 3 7s are 21. And now children, minus 1 goes there, so it would be plus 1. So number of terms कितना है? 38 है in this AP. Okay, एक thing तो खत्म हो गया. So number of terms कितना है? 38. Now the next question is, what is their sum? सम. सो एस एन पूछा है ना, तो एस एन का तो डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास. तो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द फॉर्मूला. तो एस एन का फॉर्मूला क्या है? एस एन इक्वल्स टू एन बाई 2 ब्रैकेट ए प्लस एल, फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस लास्ट टर्म. सो एस, अभी एन कितने हमारे पास? 38. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 38. 38 बाई 2. फर्स्ट टर्म कितना है बेटा? 34 एंड लास्ट टर्म कितना है? 700. Correct. So if I write it over here, I hope it's visible for you people. Okay. Now यहाँ पे लिखते हैं. So therefore, अभी S38, 38 by 2. So I'll write here S38. हाँ, 38 by 2 कितना आंसर आएगा? तुमको 19 मिलेगा. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 19 into 700 plus 34 कितना हो जाएगा? 734. So therefore S38, chalo, let us do the multiplication. So we have 734 times 19, correct? 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 9 3s are 27 plus 3 30, 9 7s are 63 plus 3 66. एक 0 मिल गया and then I have 7 3 4. So it would be 4 6 plus 3 9 and 6 plus 7 13 आ गया. So what do I get? 13,946. So यहाँ पे S of 38 13,946. So sum of those 38 terms is 13,946. Okay, I don't think so ये तो 5 marks का है, तो 3 marks का भी पूछ सकते हैं, but this is a board question of grade 10 standard. Okay, so this is how we work, and then I'll keep uploading videos, okay, of mixed chapters, and then I'll also upload thoda difficult questions also from various chapters. Okay, by then तुम बीच में pause भी कर सकते हैं, तुम पहला solve करो and then you can check your answers. Okay children, thank you, bye bye.